Walrus. Oh, that is not good burping. Got so much flavor in it. Look at my belly. I feel like Fat Albert. Hurry. Bitch. Jelly bean. Oh.
I'm just letting you guys see what he's like after he eats. I'm eating.
Yeah, I can't wait to get to the point I'm unbuckling my belt to get some room.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Sorry. Hold on.
Oh, that teen, that food doesn't go there.
Why?
It feels like eating a watermelon and with chicken and bacon and French fries all together.
Oh.
Watermelon and French fries and chicken doesn't go together. Oh. It's like eating Mexican food with Chinese and with Zaxby's and have a sandwich of it. I bet that'll be the bomb. I bet it's so much flavor. Oh. I need some room. Oh. I need a treadmill.
A treadmill?
Yeah, I need an extra large. So I won't break it.
Mm-hmm.
It's true. You know, if I put my belly on that tree, I will bend the tree up with my belly.
Mm.
That's how I feel.
Okay.
I feel like I loaded the car like 20 pounds.
I just want to let you guys know this is what he's like after he eats. I'm just eating while he talks. That's why the camera's moving around. I'm trying to eat.
I feel like a fat squirrel that can't move.
Okay.
You ever see a fat squirrel?
No.
Yeah. Just eating all the peanuts.
I'll show you what I'm eating. I'm still working on it while he talks.
Is there a weight limit going in Zaxby's?
No. I can't imagine they'd have a weight limit.
Yeah. I guess in the future you gotta have a string and have me on a what's that thing that glider? They glide over the.
Why?
You got next year. You're gonna have to pull a string out and let me fly, so I won't lower your car. But you know what's the funny part? I'm gonna be dragging on the ground because I'm so heavy.
Well, just because you feel like you ate a lot, don't mean you're fat.
It's true. The squirrel looked at me and they dropped their mouth like, oh my god. Look at that big old belly.
Well, when we get back, I guess you gotta exercise.
I've been exercising.
No, you haven't.
We went to Disney World, we walked and went to another place and we walked.
All right.
I'm not losing any weight. I'm just gaining back. Next year I can't fit through the door.
I think you're not gaining weight. You're just staying the same.
Oh, that's I don't know.
Because your clothes still fit.
Yeah. I have to suck in my belly every time a lady walk by.
Why?
Because I don't want to see my belly just.
Well, you been sucking in your stomach when ladies walk by? That is hilarious.
Yeah. And the other ladies, I had to suck in twice.
I'm almost full.
Yeah, I'm past that point.
It's delicious.
I crossed my line like 20 years ago. Oh.
Well, did you like the food here?
Yeah, it's been a while. Every time I come here, I get overbloated.
You overeat?
Yeah.
Because it's so good.
Yeah. I have it a few times. But this is my limit.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe I got this fat.
All right, everybody. I'm done eating.
I need a diet.
I'm gonna head back home and watch some funny TV.
Oh, that flavors. Holy! I have to get 3 different mouthwash and a fire hydrant to get all this flavor out.
Too many different flavors.
Yeah.
When you burp.
Yeah, I had to get 3 different mouthwash and a fire hydrant.
All right. I'll see you guys later.